Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can add graph in your Google Doc. So friend, keep watching. In this video I will show you some advanced tips and tricks to add graph in Google Doc. So friend, what we will do, simply open your Google Doc first. So here I'm going to open my browser. So friend, this is my browser, and simply first of all logging into your browser with Google Gmail account. So here you can see this is my Gmail account which is already logged in. Right now I'm going to search Google Doc. Simply search Google Doc and open this link, and friend, here you can see go to Google Docs. Just click on this button and here you will see this page. Simply click on this blank page. So friend, this is my blank Google Doc. Here I'm going to rename this graph, and here I'm going to insert graph. Okay, so what I will do, simply here you can see these are the menu on the top. Simply click on this insert tab, and here you can see this chart option, and here you can add these type of graph like bar, column, line and pie. So here I'm going to add pie first one. So here friend, you can see this is the graph, and right now I'm going to show you how you can edit this graph dynamically. Okay, just what you will do, simply click this graph, and friend, here you can see this link chart option. Just click on this drop down button and open source. So friend, whenever you open source, then this will automatically open this graph, right? So this is the Excel file. Here you can dynamically change the data and that will change into this graph. Okay, so what I will do, simply click here, and I'm going to little bit dragging here so you will get the perfect idea about it. So friend, here you can see I want to change team name, for example. Okay, here I'm going to add friends. Okay, and here you can see friends, here this friend is changed now. Okay, and right now we are going to change the amount. For example, I'm going to add 100, 60 and 70, and other amount I can change over here. Okay, and friend, you can see this amount is dynamically changed as a percent, right? So here this is change. Just simply we are going to click here on the doc, but friend, one thing you can see, these amounts are not changed. Here you can see these amounts are not changed. So what you will do, you can see here update button. You just simply click on this update button. After that you can see this graph is changed now. So friend, this is the dynamic graph you can access in Google Doc via Google Sheet. So friend, this is very informative tutorial I want to share with you guys how you can add graph in your Google Doc. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to add graph in your Google Doc. And if my friend you have any query or question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. And friend, if you like this video, please type yes in comment section so that will motivate me to make more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video and learn something new. So friend,